In this video, I'm gonna solder this potentiometer into perf board. First, position the potentiometer. To make sure strong connection, bend these two support pins properly. As you can see, main 5 pins doesn't fit into perf board, so we need to flatten these pins. Tape down the potentiometer into perf board. Make sure support pins are not covered. Solder the support pins. This is how it looks when it's done. Remove the tape. Bend these main pins according to layout of perf board using flat screwdriver or tweezer. I use tweezer, but I recommend using screwdriver. This is how it looks when it's done. Now, wire up according to this pinut. And that's it. It is done. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.